Well, a big warm welcome to you all and thanks for stopping by. This is really for me to record the refurbishment of my Hirondelle Catamaran. Hopefully I can share some of the tips and tricks that I've picked up over the years of working and sailing small boats, and no doubt I'll pick up a few more from the comments I'll receive. So on with this episode. This is all about me moving the boat from the boatyard where she'd been lying for the last 6 or so months where I bought her. That's a Dauntless Boatyard in Canvey Island, Essex, UK. I'm moving her about 150 miles north to my workshop in Nottinghamshire. First off was to pick up a large flatbed trailer. I needed to hire one, so I found an excellent company not too far from me called Startruck Trailers in Nottingham. The trailer is 7 metres long with a capacity of 2.5 tonnes. The Hirondelle weighs about a tonne, so plenty of capacity there. And just wide enough to take the 2 keels. I arrived at Dauntless Boatyard in Canvey Island just after lunchtime, and the really helpful staff had already moved the boat out of where she'd been sitting and had her ready to drop onto the trailer. I wanted to make sure that the trailer had the correct amount of nose weight, around about 5 to 10% of the total load, which is about 150 kilograms. So I used a nose weight gauge to do this. This will stop it snaking, and if you've ever towed a caravan or any sort of trailer and it snakes, it is not a nice experience. When I was satisfied with the position of the boat on the trailer, the lift was taken away, and I've got to say, a brilliant job done by Mark and his son from Dauntless. As the width of the boat at 3 metres is slightly over the normal towing width of 2.9 metres allowed in the UK, I had to notify National Highways using the online ESDAL system. This is free and easy to do, but you have to do it at least 48 hours in advance of your trip. It notifies the various police authorities along your route. I only had one response from the Metropolitan Police saying I was not allowed to transport an abnormal load in peak hours on the M25, so I had to wait until 8 PM before I could set off. Towing a wide load requires abnormal load chevron markers and additional lighting. I wanted to be sure the boat didn't move in transit, so strapped her down with plenty of heavy duty ratchet straps. and away we go. So the next morning she was still there, so now it's time to get her into a new home and off the trailer. plan is to raise the boat off the trailer, and I only need to raise it actually about probably 2 inches, 50 millimeters. So I have these blocks, I've made these beams up, engineered beams, all on their edge profile to act as I-beams. So we've got 3 individual I-beams all bolted together, and then using the jack we're going to cut this extra pole, which was one of these poles, which was a spare one. This has actually got an extra metre of height that I can put up, and literally I just need to raise it 50 mil, drop it down onto these blocks, take the boards off under that the boat is sitting on, pull the trailer out. Robert's your auntie's living lover. So I think that should be pretty easy to do. I've seen quite a few other videos with people doing similar things. It's only a ton at the end of the day. Each one is effectively taking half a ton, could even say half of that. The actual bending moment in the civil engineering days is very small because it's probably about 300 mil or so. So we should be fine with that. So let's give it a go anyway. As this is a car transporter, the problem is we've got a ramp at the back, so I don't want to scuff the back as I'm pulling it along. By the way, thanks to Startruck Trailers here in Nottingham, we provide a really good service. This is a really good deal for this trailer for the weekend. So I'm going to strap this to the back to protect it as I'm pulling it forward, clear of the boat, and then we can pull it off, get it all back together and get it back to their depot. I wasn't really comfortable about leaving her on the beams, so I chopped her up on some bits of old railway sleepers. It's really good actually having her quite high up, because it means I can get right underneath to do all the horrible bits of getting all the anti-foul off, treating any bits of osmosis, that sort of thing. The workshop tent allows me to work on a rain and shine. Got plenty of headroom to walk around on deck. Oh, by the way, that incredibly annoying flickering light, it can't be seen in real life. I need to adjust the settings on my GoPro. So the first job is to take off all the deck fittings, clear everything off the boat, and I can start work on stripping this paint off. And if anyone has any ideas how to strip off this textured paint, please let me know. I've got a few ideas, but all comments are welcome. Anyway, that's it for now. My name's Sean, thanks for watching, and there'll be plenty more videos coming soon.